light is a form of energy because light makes us to do work, and when light comes, then only we do work. When light comes, then only some leaves will open, sunflowers they turn according to light. So by this light makes the nature to do work, and light moves in the form of wave, electromagnetic wave nature. So light is a form of energy, and this energy is mysterious for several years together, several ages together, because light is another peculiar thing. So on this peculiarity, first person did some work, that is Newton. Newton said that light, nature of light is particle nature. So it moves and reflects the particles by the ball bounce from the wall. In the same way, light also particles bounce from the surfaces. This is called corpuscular theory. Those particles called by the Newton as the corpuscles. And the next, this theory failed, and later Huygens came and produced the wave theory. Because during the Huygens time, they don't know about the electromagnetic wave nature and the transverse wave nature of the waves. So they know only longitudinal waves. So Huygens tried to prove that light is also a longitudinal wave form, which requires a medium for the propagation. And the next, this also failed in later years. And next again, the Max Planck came. He produced the quantum theory of light. And light is the form of quanta or the particles. Quantum means a fixed particle having some amount of energy. So these particles also moves with the light speed, the speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And later this was changed by this Maxwell electromagnetic wave theory. That is, he said that light is a form of electromagnetic wave. That's why it does not require medium for propagation. So it moves in the space freely. But the dual nature is oscillating in between the particle nature and the wave nature. Particle nature and the wave nature. So the Einstein later tried to produce a theory that light is a form of dual nature, having the particle nature and the wave nature. While moving in the space, in the form of wave, while reflecting on the surface, it acts like a particle. So this is all about the nature of the light.
खामोश चेहरे पे हजारों पहरे होते हैं, हंसती आंखों में भी जख्म गहरे होते हैं, जिनसे अक्सर रूठ जाते हैं हम, असल में उनसे ही रिश्ते गहरे होते हैं.
The reflection in the plane mirror is called regular reflection. Reflection on the walls and other objects is called irregular reflection. Now we have to see now a reflection on the mirror. So suppose this is the mirror, and here is the object. One ray goes straight and it turns back like this, and inside the mirror it appears move, and another ray goes like this, it reflects back and make it move back. So both rays will meet here. This is the image point of this object. Here object distance equal to image distance, and image is erect, and virtual. Virtual means it is upright. As you are standing, image also looks standing behind the mirror. And images are formed by meeting the 2 points, actually meeting or apparent meeting. Here you see this ray and this ray meet apparently. Actually this ray comes here and turns back, and this ray moves back like this. Both will move apparently backside and meet here. So the apparent image formed, or it is a virtual image. When really meet, then real image will form. And next, the image in the mirror is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means right side looks left, left side looks right. As some letters you take as A and O, T, the V, W. These looks on both sides in the mirror and here also. But if you take S, and this looks like this. And if you take P, it looks like this. Reverse way. If you take Q, and it looks like this. So in this way, which are not symmetrical both sides, they appears in inverted, laterally inverted. Suppose here you see this side not same. That's why this looks here, this looks here. And this also you see this side and this side not same. So it looks reverse. So this is called laterally inversion. Due to this reason only, in the ambulance, the letters are written invertedly lateral. That means left to, actually we write left to right. In the ambulance, we write right to left. So that in the mirror, the driver which you see in the mirror, he see the correct ambulance name. Okay, this is all about the reflection by the plane mirror.
बुलाते लोग प्यार से दस आनंद मुझे नाम से, बुलाते लोग प्यार से दस आनंद मुझे